Hello everybody! In this video I want to show you how to insert a SIM card in the iPhone 13. Just begin with the SIM card. You can see I have a SIM card here on my finger, and this is a nano SIM card. It's the smallest SIM card you can use at this moment. There are slightly bigger models, the micro SIM card and the standard SIM card, but you need a nano SIM card. On YouTube and on other channels you can also find some tutorials how to cut down your standard or micro SIM card to create a nano SIM card, but I just suggest you call your provider and they will send you a new nano SIM card. So this is pretty easy. You need this, and now we look at the place we must put this SIM card in on the iPhone 13. And here at the side you can see a little tray with a hole in it, and in this hole we must put something in there. And for this we must use our packaging from the iPhone 13. And when I open this packaging, you can see here is a little needle, and this needle perfectly fits in this little hole. This is a so-called SIM card ejector. But if you cannot find your packaging, just use the good old paperclip. I have here a little paperclip, and I just bent this paperclip open, and then it's also okay. So I use this paperclip now. You can also use a SIM card ejector, and I just push the needle here in the hole and just press it a little bit, and then this tray opens pretty easily. And then you can see here we have this place for the SIM card, and you can see at the left top corner there is a little edge, and the same edge is on your SIM card, so here at the top left. So there's only one possibility that you can put the SIM card in, otherwise it won't fit. And if you when you have put in the SIM card, you can put the tray back in and just press it a little bit, and then the only thing we must do is just to wait a few seconds. SIM is locked, 3 times remaining, so the iPhone 13 recognized there is a new SIM card. I put in my PIN and press OK, and then unlocking, and everything is fine. If we wait a little bit longer, then we will see that is the signal for the GSM will become active, and you can see now I can use normally my iPhone when I'm outside to go in the internet, to call my friends, and so on and so forth. Yes, that was it, how to insert the SIM card in the iPhone 13. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. It would be really great if you could support me. We'll see us the next time. Bye bye.